If you want to stop kids or guests getting into cabinets that you don't want them to, then you need to install these magnetic locks, so let me show you how. Before you install anything, you do want to make sure that the mechanism does work. So it is in the locked position now, so we're going to take our key and then see that it drops. You make sure to wipe any surface off with the alcohol wipes, these are included. First thing to do is position this latch on the door frame, and because the door sits on top of this frame here, we're going to put this right on the edge here. So take off the film on the back of the tape so we can stick this on. And we'll make sure that this is flush here. If you aren't too sure which way around the clip's meant to go on the inside, just use your guide to get it the right way. So we're going to go like this and then line it up just the same. Then we're going to take our latch, make sure this little bit here is pushed up, and that's going to make sure that this latch isn't going to get caught on anything. Take the latch and put it into the guide. Position the guide on the interior piece, clip it in, and then you can just close the door. Don't just close the door like that, make sure you take off the film on the outside of the tape. So reposition this like that, clip it into place. Now you can close the door. Apply some pressure to make sure the adhesive is bonding to the surface, and you can remove the little guide. Remember this little lever that we put up to lock this down? Just flick that so that this starts popping up, and that means that the door is going to lock. You get your key, and now the door can open when triggered using the key.